Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the extension is installed and updated. This avoids version-related problems. Once done, open the browser's extensions page from the menu or enter Chrome//extensions in the address bar to get direct access. Make sure you also open an Incognito window so you can immediately test behavior after enabling. You're doing this to change per extension privacy settings so you don't alter global browsing privacy. That's why the dedicated extensions page matters. You now locate the extensions card on the extensions page and click details to reveal its options. This step exposes the Incognito toggle. Once there, flip Allow an Incognito to On. Do this deliberately because it changes privacy exposure. Make sure to read the brief warning that the extension may record activity in private windows. This explains the trade-off between functionality and privacy. If the toggle is disabled, check for administrative policies or reinstall to reset permissions before proceeding. You finish by opening an Incognito window and confirming the extension's icon or UI is visible, which verifies the toggle took effect. Then test core features, load pages, or run the extension's key functions to ensure they behave as expected in private mode. If something fails, restart the browser first. Make sure enterprise or local policies aren't blocking Incognito access. And if needed, remove and reinstall the extension to clear corrupt settings. This sequence solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.